Welcome to another episode of Great Harley-Davidsons at East Orlando Harley-Davidson. My name is Robert, but around here they call me Papaw. So I have the honor of introducing you to a 2021 Solftail Heritage Classic. Now, one of the things that we have on the Solftail Heritage Classics is custom builds. Now, real quickly on the 2021 Solftails, come with the M8 or Milwaukee 8 motor. One of the modes that they have on this motor, besides the fact that it is one of the most technologically advanced motors built today, is what's called parade mode on the motor. And what that does, when you come to a stop, it turns off one of the cylinders, the one closest to you. It makes that cylinder turn into an air pump. And what that does, it keeps the bike cooler and also keeps the rider cooler. Now, some of the custom features that we're able to do builds for you. This bike has Busani fishtails, which are fabulous for that classic look and that vintage style. It also has Carlini ape hangers, giving you that vintage and classic style and flair that you're looking for. Also, we have Joker white hand grips, giving you the accents that makes your bike stand out in a crowd. So at East Orlando Harley-Davidson, we strive to make it comfortable for you. Please let us know what you're looking for in bikes. We have stock inventory that is fantastic, and as you can see, we have custom builds that are fantastic. You can walk into our showroom and see a bike of your dreams, or get everything you want on the bike of your dreams. So continuing with the vintage flair and style that you're looking for, is why we have the white walls on the bike. Very classic look for you. So besides the vintage flair, you can come into our showroom and see the custom builds that we have for you, or you can also order the parts that you want to make the bike of your dreams. And with that, what we like to do is let you have a little listen. So as you can see, the builds come out completely wonderful. So please let us know. We're here for you at East Orlando Harley-Davidson for anything you need from parts or service. Give us a call anytime for anything that you need. We're honored to serve you, and thank you so much for tuning in today for another episode of Great Bikes at East Orlando Harley-Davidson. Thank you again.